Hi everybody, Chef Ben here with Spice Field Kitchen. So we're going to talk about how to properly hold the three main knives in a kitchen. So this is a chef's knife. What we want to do is we want to grab the knife with our pointer finger and our thumb on the blade right in front of the bolster. We then use our three fingers to curl around the handle, cradling the handle in the palm of our hand, and then now we have ultimate control of this knife. Whether we're chopping or rockin' chopping or clearing our board, we always have total control of this blade by these two fingers and then grabbing the handle. With the serrated knife, it's totally appropriate to just hold this knife by the handle. I like to hug up on it a little bit just because that's how my habits are from working in a kitchen for so long. But just by the handle, firm grip, and this is for any sawing motion, still using the claw of riding on the back of your knuckles. With a paring knife, it's a bit different. Built to be used by the handle, but also able to be pinched between the thumb and the pointer finger and used to do tasks like cleaning an onion. I would have a lot of that blade in my hand. Thanks so much for tuning in. That's how to hold the three main knives in the kitchen, and we will see you on our next tutorial video.